Hey there, welcome again to another video and thank you for passing by to our channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how we can reuse our previous titles in a different project. So let's dive into Olive Video Editor now and start working on it. So here I have imported a video clip onto the project window, so let's drag that to the timeline, click and drag. And then take note of the sequence that created from this project, which is 16 seconds long. And now how do we import our title onto this project here? There are two ways you can do that. One, to go to File and Import, or simply in the project window, right click and import. Go to the location where you save your template or the titles or the motion titles and select the one that you want to import onto the project and click Open. And when you do that, this pop-up window appears asking you, do you wish to continue? Click Yes. And that will replace the project on the timeline. Again, since this video comes with this title, we just delete that first. So here we have the imported title, so the nested sequence that we have created previously onto our project. So this nested sequence is about 6 seconds long. So on the project window, you can see that we have the nested sequence about 6 seconds long, and our project itself is 16 seconds long. And this sequence here is the sequence that comes with this nested sequence. So how do we get our project back onto the timeline? Simply in the project window, double click on the project itself, which is 16 seconds long, or according to the length of your project, double click on it, and it brings in back the project onto the timeline. Now, how do we get our title onto the timeline? Go to the nested sequence, click and drag it to the timeline. So again, we have our title now in the project, and now we don't have any audio attached to this nested sequence, so Ctrl L to unlink and select it and delete it. Since we have this black solid here, let's apply the Luma key. So come up here, go to King and Luma key and change the upper limit to 0, and now we have our title in our project. But then if you want to change something in the nested sequence or the title itself, in the nested sequence, double click on it and you have the separate clips that we have created previously. So you can go and do adjustment to the clips or the keyframe or the titles. For example, I want to change this to another color, this color here, and click OK and OK. So when you are happy with it, make sure to save it and then go to the sequence of the project, which is 16 seconds long, and double click on it to get it back onto the timeline. So now we have our title and the project on the timeline. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Again, thank you for watching and see you all in the next one.